Wanna have a great vacation but worried about feeling queasy and pukish? In this video, I'll share interesting ways to tackle motion sickness. Do watch the video till the end to find out the homeopathic medicines that have worked in my patients and few simple remedies along with behavioral changes which can make your travel pleasurable. Motion sickness or kinetosis is a common condition which you experience when the motion that you see and the motion that you feel does not match. This can cause symptoms like dizziness, nausea and vomiting. But should this stop you from having those amazing fun trips? Of course not. Here are a few tips which may help reduce motion sickness while you're traveling. Missing out on those beautiful scenic views while on a road trip, or that game of charades your friends are playing. Is your team losing out on jamming sessions because you're too worried about nausea? Stop! Be in the moment, enjoy your trip, as this will take your mind off your symptoms and reduce the intensity of your illness. Say no to mobiles, laptops and books. It can only increase your motion sickness, as this gives conflicting information to your brain about your body's movement. Instead, try looking at the horizon or a fixed stationary object. Get into the driver's seat. Driving can be fun and takes your mind off the illness. Or, if you're a co-passenger, go grab that window seat or a seat with a view. Avoid sitting in the direction opposite to that you're traveling in. If you're driving, take breaks every hour or so that you can stretch your legs and get some fresh air. If you're traveling by train, plane or by ship, try getting up and walking around. You can also go out on the deck if possible. As the saying goes, eat light, travel light. Strong odors or certain kind of spicy and greasy foods can increase your symptoms of motion sickness, so try and avoid them. Sucking onto those childhood sour or ginger candies and ice lollies can help. Alternatively, you can also chew on to some peppermint gum. Here are my top homeopathic recommendations along with their symptoms. Cocculus 30 can be taken when you experience symptoms of nausea and dizziness in whatever sort of travel condition it may be, whether you travel via road, air or via railway. The nausea is so much so that even the sight and smell of food cannot be tolerated. Borax 30 can be taken when you experience symptoms of motion sickness when you are headed in a downward motion. For example, when you are traveling downhill. Next, Tabacum 200 works great when you experience symptoms of palpitation along with nausea, and you feel better when you close your eyes or when cold air blows on your face. Doses for all the above medications is 3 times. The first dose is 12 hours prior to you traveling. The second dose is at the beginning of travel. The third dose is while you're traveling. Each dose is 2 drops directly on your tongue. These are some quick fixes which I'm mentioning. If you're looking for some long-term solutions, do get in touch with us. I, Dr. Mohsin Thanawala, will be glad to assist you.